to Doc's Boost. Julia's going to take the first ride in the overhauled GT500. Everything's done pretty much except for the E85 tune, and we're going to go out and have a run of our lives, right? Right?
Right.
Right, right. Okay, here we go. It's going to be fun for me, fun for her.
And he's going to let me drive on the way back.
Yeah, when pigs fly. Project 1 year ago this month.
Wow. A lot of unexpected setbacks, right?
Oh yeah, there was a few of them for sure, and just a lot of things took longer than I thought they would. I thought 120 days and we'd be golden, but no, that's not the way it turned out.
How fast did it get up to?
I don't know. I wasn't paying attention.
I tried to look, but then I got scared and closed my eyes. Did you leave those tracks?
That wasn't me.
It was not?
What do you think? Is it?
That's definitely a lot faster than the last ride.
I have to agree with you. I really do. I have to agree.
It's like for one half a split second, I thought we were going to start going.
I'm going to wait to see what your face looks like during that.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I was making some pretty interesting facial expressions.
Yeah.
Like I said, I know I closed my eyes at least once.
That was great. That was great.
Wow. And you've taken it on the track since then?
Not yet. Not yet.
Oh,
not
my
yet.
gosh.
That's still to come. That's still to come.
Wow.
And let's keep that fun and excitement wild going, and you can click on that video right down there. YouTube's got it picked out especially for you, and I'll see you there in just a few moments, and thanks for watching.